Hello guys and welcome to Python programming tutorials by Amul's Academy. Today in this tutorial we are discussing about local and global variables. Local variables are variables can be used in given function. Other function can't use that variable, but global variable can be used by any functions. We'll take some examples so we'll understand better. First we'll see the example for local variable. I'll define one function, name as function1. Here I'll take one variable n and I'll assign the value 5 and I'll print this value comma n. Okay, now here I'll define another function. I'll give name as function2. Here I'll take another variable, same name n, and I'll assign value 10 and I'll print this. Now I'll call the function 1. Now I'll come out from this function and next here I'll call function 2. We can take this as main. To understand, I'll take this as main function and this is first function and this is second function. Okay, now I'll save this and run this. Now we can see n value is 10 and n value is 5. Okay, first the control goes to the main function. Here function call is there for function 2, so control goes to the function 2, and here we define the n equal to 10. It is called as local variable, so it is only applicable to the function 2, so it will print the message. And here we call the function 1, so control goes to the function 1, and here n equal to 5, it is also a local variable. It's only applicable to the function 1 and it will print the value 5. So we got answer as first n value is 10, then n value is 5. Okay, to understand local variable clearly, I'll comment this. Now we can see the difference. Save and run. Okay, here first n value is 10, then we got error, that is n is not defined. Okay, this is because here first control goes to the function call, so control goes to the function 2, and here n equal to 10, it is a local variable, so it will print the value n. Okay, now it will go to the function 1. Here n value is not defined. I used comment here, so here n is not defined, so it will give the error. This variable is used only in this function. It can't be used by other function. That's why we got error there. I hope you got clear picture about the local variables. Now we'll see the example for global variable. As I said, global variable can be used by any functions. First I'll create a variable n is equal to 10. Now here I'll define a function called function1 and I'll print the value. Okay, I'll come out of this function and I'll define another function and here I'll print n value and I'll call function1 here. Okay, now I'll come out of this and in the main I'll call function 2. Okay, now I'll save this, run this, and we can see the value 10 and 10. This is the global variable, so it can be used by any functions. Okay, Now here if I define n equal to 20, this is called as local variable. This is only applicable to the function 2. N equal to 10, it is a global variable, it can be used by any function. Now I'll save this and run this. Now we can see the value as 20 and 10. It's because first the control goes to the function call, and in the function 2 n is defined and it is local variable, so it will print the n value. So we got answer as 20 first, then it will call the function 1. In the function 1 it will take the global value, so it will print 10. So this is called as global variable and this is called as local variable. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in next class. Till then, take care.